Jerad Spencer, Flair Real Estate. Where are we at tonight?
We're at Vidor High School's homecoming.
Vidor High School's homecoming. It's a little chilly out. I think it's a little chilly out, but you already know that. What do we have here? I mean, this is something beautiful. Tell me about this.
It's a one-of-a-kind custom-built fire pit grill combo. Our students built this in 2 days this week. We've painted it. It's ready to go. We're doing a donation drawing for $5 a ticket. All of the proceeds go to our scholarship for our welding students.
$5 a ticket, or tonight they get
They get 6 for $20.
6 for $20. And you said, who does that money go to?
It goes to our students. 100% goes to our students.
100%. Now that thing looks heavy. I mean, that's massive.
It's 4 foot by 4 foot, 12 inches tall on the walls. We will deliver it, and we'll put it.
We'll deliver. Kind of heavy. Now you were telling me that everything is interchangeable. We've got what? A Dutch oven rack, and then what do we have right there with the wood?
We have a custom-made, one-of-a-kind cutting board, walnut and oak.
Walnut.
Yes. Our building trades teacher, Eric Hartman, built that for us with his student. We have a walk here.
A good-looking walk too. I like the horseshoes around it.
Yeah, it's adjustable up or down. It's on a big bolt, the jack seam bolt.
Perfect.
We have a grill here on this side. All 3 of these attachments can be interchanged on each side.
Okay.
And all of them can be removed.
And you said kids built this?
Our students built it.
Students built this. Guys, help them out. How do they buy raffle tickets other than tonight?
Any welding student, if you don't know a welding student, you go to the front of the high school at the office. They have tickets for sale there.
Tickets for sale up there, front office.
19th.
November 19th. How are you going to announce the winners?
We're going to announce it live on Facebook, VHS Welding. We have a welding Facebook page, and we're going to give you a call that day if you win.
If you go over to Flair Real Estate, I've shared the post before. Obviously, it's a picture of the grill. Go on there, buy raffle tickets, help them out, help get the scholarships. Guys, any questions, call this guy. Send me a message. I'll get it. If you want raffle tickets, we'll get you taken care of. Jerad Spencer, Flair Real Estate, and Garrett Smith. Guys, have a great night.
Thank y'all.